The price of Coinbase stock is tightly connected to the cryptocurrency market. The crypto market is highly volatile and therefore provides a significant amount of risk. In this video, we discuss what is Coinbase's outlook moving forward, how do we capitalize on the high volatility in Coinbase, and we will show you exactly how to place an Iron Condor option trade in Coinbase on the option trading platform.
Hey guys, Darren here. Thanks for joining. We talk about action steps you can take today to increase profits and reduce risk in your options trading portfolio. Please check out and download the free options workshop in the link below.
It talks about the two main reasons why options can be less risky and more profitable than just buying stocks alone. It also details how to profit in both directions and pick your win percentage, which you can't do buying stocks alone. Also, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. I appreciate it and it helps to get out the video to more people. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner. I am not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, start small. Coinbase provides infrastructure and technology for the crypto economy worldwide. The driver for Coinbase stock outside of surging crypto prices is the launch of the company's Layer 2 blockchain. Called Base, this network is aimed at providing a more efficient and less expensive way to build decentralized applications on the blockchain. The network is aimed at improving the user experience with Ethereum, Solana, and other blockchains that have seen issues related to cost and performance. It really comes down to whether or not you're bullish on the future of crypto. Coinbase continues looking to provide solutions that will cement its lead among the top US crypto exchanges, especially with the collapse of FTX. So if you're a believer that crypto will go higher, then Coinbase can be a nice trading vehicle. How do we capitalize on the high volatility in Coinbase? Coinbase has been trading in a range for the last 10 months. We have some vertical lines drawn here, and you can see that it's spent most of its time between the $45 and $80 price range. It is a high volatility stock, so we want to look at using a strategy that capitalizes on that and where we can collect a lot of premium. We can do that with the Iron Condor option strategy. How do we place an Iron Condor option trade in Coinbase right now? Let's go to the Tastyworks trade platform. It's the best platform for trading options. I'll put a link down below. We punch in coin in the upper left and make sure we hit the trade tab in order to see the option chains. We see the IVR is 32, so it's high, which allows us to go wider and collect more premium. We want to pick the expiration date in the option chain that is closest to 45 days to expiration. So in this case, we pick the April chain as it's right at 45 days. We click on it and open up the option chain. We then click on the bid for the 45 put and ask for the 35 put to sell a $10 wide 35-45 put vertical. We also click on the 80 bid and 90 ask on the call side to sell the 80-90 call vertical. Overall, we are collecting $286 up front to sell this $10 wide Iron Condor in coin. Let's switch to the curve mode by hitting curve in the trade tab, since it's a little more visual and you can see the profit zone in green. Again, we see the amount in credit that we're collecting is $287. Since there's 100 shares, it's the $2.87 times 100. As long as we stay above the 45 short put strike and below the $80 short call strike, we keep the entire $287. Think about how wide that range is. It will take a move down from 62 to 45, or a 27% move in just 45 days in order to break outside the range on the downside. On the upside, the move to $80 would be a 22% move up, which is huge as well. And remember the chart. It has basically stayed in this range for the last 10 months. If it did break outside this range, we would make an adjustment on the winning side and collect more premium. Then at around 15 to 21 days to expiration, we would be looking to close or roll the trade to the following month if IVR is still high. The great thing is that our max loss is capped at the $10 minus $2.87 that we collected, so it's $7.13. So we're risking $713 and we're collecting $287. That's a 40% monthly ROI, or return on investment. That's a 480% annualized ROI. Not bad. From here we hit review and send, and place the Iron Condor Option Trade. The Iron Condor Option Trade is a cost-efficient way of investing. We're able to collect a good premium while covering a very wide range and limiting our risk. Now is a great time to consider selling an Iron Condor in Coinbase.
All right, guys, I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Also, let me know what you thought of this trade and what you're trading in your options trading account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.